What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Welcome to a special edition video. I'm here at General RV's corporate headquarters in Wixom, Michigan. And in this video, I need you guys to download the new General RV app. It is a free app on the Google Store and the Apple Store. And in this video, I'm going to give you 6 reasons why you want to download this new app. Reason number 1, you can book your service appointments straight through the app 24/7. There's no need to call the dealership. There's no need to come up to the dealership there's no like pre-trip for the scheduled trip. All you got to do is go to the app 24/7 and you can schedule your service appointments throughout all 20 plus General RVs nationwide. 2 is maintenance and personal recommendations. So there's this feature in the app where you type in your year, make, and model of your specific RV, and it is attached to your account. And so from the app, they're gonna help you stay on top of your maintenance with recommendations and tips and tricks to make sure your RV is being properly maintained so you can stay on the road camping longer. To that point, you can also set up alerts, okay? So you never miss the inspections or the essential services with your RV. There's a lot of stuff that you need to do. Winterization, you gotta clean your seals, clean your roof, apply new lap sealants, all this different type of stuff for your annual maintenance. And just like your vehicle, how it tells you, hey, bing, time for an oil change, this is going to be the same thing but in correlation to the specific type of RV that you actually own. Not only that, to that point, not all RVs are made equally. There's different types of recommendations for travel trailers, fifth wheels, motorhomes, difference between gas motorhomes and diesel motorhomes. That's why it's so important to have this app, because it is attributed based off of the RV that you actually own. Next is streamlining the RV ownership experience. Guys, not only, you guys know this, if you're trying to sell your RV yourself, or if you ever bought or sold anything, or if you ever bought something pre-owned and you see that person that has that maintenance history, those service records and everything, that's when they always get top dollar, because they know that their previous vehicle, car, truck, SUV, RV, was properly taken care of and maintained. And that's what the General RV app does as well. It keeps all your service records and all your service logs in one area. So when it is time to get rid of your RV a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you will have all these service records on how well maintained you took care of your RV, and that's gonna help you get top dollar in the future. Next, you're gonna get access to exclusive offers and promotions. Like, I bet you guys didn't know that this weekend coming up, May 7th, General RV in Wixom, Michigan is having their 10-year anniversary sale. And I bet you also didn't know that I will be here hosting a meet and greet, having a great time, saving people thousands of dollars. But if you did have the General RV app, you would have received a push notification letting you guys know that some of the best pricing of the year is going to be this weekend. But it's not just this weekend. There's plenty different shows and sales and promotions that are always going on, so you're always the first to know, exclusively for the General RV app holders. The final part, the app is free. There's no money, doesn't cost you anything, okay? It's free on the Apple Store and the Google Store. And here's what I'm gonna give General RV credit for. A lot of people wanna come up with apps and everything. This is extremely user-friendly. It's one of the easiest, simplest apps to use. You don't need to be scanning this or entering 30 barcode numbers or scanning receipts. It is all included in General RV's ecosystem. So when it comes to adding stuff, service trips, maintenance records, scheduling, doesn't matter where you are in the country, General RV, they're gonna have your account data, they're gonna know who you are. They're trying to improve the RV service industry, and so they invested a lot of money in making it easier for you to get your RV into service, making it a better experience, but quite frankly, keeping you out of the dealership, keeping you on the road camping, with proper maintenance, alerts, and notifications. Guys, I can't tell you how much I appreciate General RV for partnering with me, Matt from Matt's RV Reviews, in bringing all of us these videos that we're able to do every day. So if you haven't already, click the link down below, go to the App Store, the Google Play Store. If you're an RVer, download the General RV app. You'll thank me one day in the future. Thanks so much, guys. Thanks for watching this special edition video. We'll see you next time.